So we arrive home and something is rather messy. So I started to think, why is there a mess here? And then we found the culprit. What have you done? Where's the half packet of Rich Tea biscuits gone? Oh, scampers, what have you done? And Brian's trick-or-treat sweets. Have you eaten them all? Oh, scampers, what have you done? Oh no, you are such a naughty boy. Glad it wasn't my sweets. Hey, look at this. He's still filming.
Scampers.
I wonder if he ate any Lego. He's lucky he didn't have his cream egg. What have you done? What's this? What's this? Was this yours? Oh dear.